Hey guys, Metal Apple Pie 7 here with a video detailing the new Lion desktop experience. First off is the dashboard getting some much needed love. It gets its own desktop, and when you swipe upwards you can see it's always open and it's always available. Lion manages apps very differently. Before you used to have a bunch of windows open and just like one desktop, but now when you go into full screen mode, that application gets its own desktop and you slide back and forth with 4 fingers to change between desktops. Oops, didn't mean to grab that. Alright, let's open up Mail. When you put that in full screen, that also gets its own little desktop. When you swipe upwards with 4 fingers, again, you can see all of them have their own space. You can create a new desktop by pressing the plus button, and let's drag this window into the new desktop. So now that window is in desktop 2, so when you slide with 4 fingers, you switch between your open apps and desktops. This is the Mac App Store, which I'm sure you all know very well. So the Mac App Store is the only place that you're going to be able to get Lion when it finally comes out. Okay, I opened up iTunes 10.5. Now this isn't available yet, this is a beta for Lion, and this now also has the ability to go into full screen mode, and has the ability to make its own space. For the apps that don't take up the full screen, you can drag those between your open desktops, and then delete desktops just by pressing the X button in the top left-hand corner. Alright, so let's close out of the App Store, and when you close out of a full screen app, you'll see it completely deletes that area. Alright, let's leave Safari open, and I'll show you Launchpad. Launchpad is accessed by swiping 5 fingers towards the center, or by pressing the button in the bottom left-hand corner called Launchpad. You switch between the panes by swiping 2 fingers, and I promise you it's not as laggy as it seems now. It's actually really smooth when you're not running screen recording software. So it shows you all of the applications on your Mac no matter where you are on your computer. You can rearrange the icons by holding them down and dragging them on top of another one to create a folder. When you click outside, it finalizes that folder, but I don't want these two together, so let's rearrange that. Let's take that outside. You see it automatically gets rid of the folder. Launchpad has inertia scrolling just like everything else in Lion, and I'll show you it's accessible from everywhere. So let's go to Safari, and again we do the motion or click the icon and Launchpad comes up right in Safari, which is a full screen app. Alright, let's show you some cool features in Safari now that we're here. Let's go to a few pages. And to go back, you just take 2 fingers and slide it back, and it's stored to the RAM, so it's really fast. Alright, let's get back to the main screen here. So that's about it, guys. I showed you everything you're going to notice in the new Lion desktop, and this is Developer Preview 4, so it's pretty stable. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.